Morning, everyone. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
That it is visible.
So, yeah, I think yesterday we started typecasting, right? Reference type typecasting, and we completed the compile time checking. So, what are the rules we have to follow while compile time checking, right? So, we completed. Now, we will go for next level, guys. So, what is the next one? Runtime. Okay. So, runtime checking. So, while executing the program, so what are the rules we have to take in care while doing typecasting? Okay. So those things we're going to discuss now, guys. Fine. So now, so what is our formula, guys? What is our formula? AA equal, no, sorry. AB, right? Equal to 3D. Right. This is our formula. Fine. So now, okay, guys. So now we will see the runtime checking, the first rule, guys. Okay. So now I think yesterday, so we have one application, right? So let me open that one. So this is the application. Fine. Now see here. Okay. This is string buffer. So let me remove this thing. And even let me remove this one also. Fine. Yeah, this is perfectly fine, right? So now, you tell me, do you have any issue on this? Do you have any issue on this?
No, sir.
Tell me, guys.
Same issue,
No,
sir.
for compile time, there is no issue, right? It
Yes,
is
sir.
absolutely following the rules what we have discussed on compile time checking. Fine. Now let me execute the same program. Okay. Compile Java C. What is the file name, guys? Typecast demo, I think, right? .java. Yeah, compilation successfully. So do you see any issue here at compile time? Come on, guys. Do you see any issue at compile time? There is no issue, right? So
No
now, yeah, let me execute the same program. Java. Okay, what is the class name? Test typing, right? Test type. Now, see now, what it is saying? Class cast exception. Throwing. What it is saying? It is throwing one exception. Which exception? Java.lang.class cast exception. Class java.lang.string cannot be cast to class java.long.string buffer. Understand, guys? Okay, see here. So compile time it is valid, but runtime, so it is throwing class cast exception. So runtime exception it is throwing, guys. Okay, so why it is throwing runtime exception? Okay, see. So what we are trying to do here. So what is the underlying object of S, guys, here? What is the underlying object of S here? String. Am I right? String. Now we are converting the string to which type? String buffer
String
type.
buffer.
Okay. So how can you convert one type to another type, guys? In reference type, we cannot, right? How can you convert one reference type to another reference type? Okay. How can you convert student to employee? Right? We cannot assign that student object to employee type. How can we assign? Both are two different types, right? So here what we are trying to do now? So we are trying to assign string with here object. Okay, what is the underlying object of S here? String only. Am I right or wrong? Now we are trying to convert string to string buffer. Understand? String to string buffer. So that's why here we are getting what, guys? Class cast exception. See, there is a class cast. Understand? So class java.lang.string cannot be cast to class java.lang.string buffer. Clear, everyone? Okay?
Yeah.
So now
Yes, sir.
let me write the point here, the first rule. What is the first rule, right? What is the first rule, right? So the underlying object of D, okay, must be either same or derived type of C. Otherwise, we will get runtime exception. Understand? See, the underlying object of D, right, must be either same type of C or or it's a derived type. It's a derived type of C. Understand, guys? The underlying object type of D must be either same or derived type of C. Otherwise, we will get what, guys? Same type of C or its derived type of C, right? So otherwise, we will get
Class cast exception.
runtime exception. Okay, runtime exception called class cast exception. Clear, everyone? Okay, so this is the rule we have to follow. Okay, so let me copy the same program here. Control C. So now here I'm having the example. See now here, right? If you see S, okay, the underlying object of S. Okay, what is the underlying object of S here? String. Come on, guys. What is the underlying object of S here?
String.
Right. So by using superclass reference variable, we are holding what? String. But what is the actual object S is holding? String object only. Right? Am I right? Now, what is the underlying object of S reference variable here? String only. So the underlying object of S must be either same type of C. Here C, right? C means what? String buffer here. Same type of C, or else it's derived type of C. Understand? Or it's a same or derived type of C. Come on, guys. Okay, so derived type of C means what? Derived type of C means what? S should be child class of C. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Come on. The underlying object of D must be either same type of C or its derived type of C.
Derived type
Otherwise,
of
we will
C.
get runtime exception clause, class cast exception. Okay. So now that's what we are getting what, guys? What is the output here? Compilation successfully, guys. So there is no issue at compile time. Understand? But runtime, we are getting issue. So here, output runtime exception. Runtime exception called class cast exception. Okay. Come on, guys. Clear, everyone?
Yeah, clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So now, if I take the same example here, let me take string buffer. Okay. Now, is it valid or invalid?
Valid.
Yes. Is it valid or invalid?
Valid.
Valid.
Okay. So even compile time also there is no issue. At runtime also will not have any
No.
issue, guys. Okay. So why here see
Same
the
thing.
underlying object of
Parent
S is
and
what type? String buffer, right? The underlying object of S here what, guys? String buffer
string
type.
buffer.
So now this here S and string buffer is same type, right? It can be take either same type or else it's derived type of C. C means what? String buffer. Okay. So now it is valid. Now let me execute, guys. So Java C test typecast demo and finally Java test. See. Shall we see output here? Sai. Sai is an
Yes,
output.
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So now. One minute, guys. My headphones having some problem. Okay. Can you hear me now, right? Just I switched
Yes,
on my
sir.
fan. Fine.
Yes.
So now, okay, that is the first case. Okay. Here code compiles fine, but we are getting what, guys? Runtime exception. In previous example, not here. Okay, here we will get what? Okay, the Sai will be the output. Okay. So now let me take one more example. Okay. So now here see string S is equal to new string of, okay, new string of, let me take Santosh. Fine. So now here what I'm doing, object O equals to, I'm trying to convert to object type. Which one? S. Okay. Clear? Now here what I'm doing, system.out.println, system.out.println of which one, guys? O. I'm trying to print what? O here. Tell me. Do you see any issue at compile time or runtime? The runtime rule, the first rule what we have discussed now.
Must be either
Same type or
same
derived.
type or it's derived type.
Derived type of C, right? So here S, okay, the underlying object of S either same type of object or derived type of object. So now, yes, S is child class of object or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
S is child class of object or not?
Yes.
Then the rule is passed, right? Understand? See
Yes,
the
sir.
rule, see, just listen the rule, just read the rule. So what is the rule, guys? The underlying object of S, okay, either should be same type of object or else it's derived type of object, right? Now, S is what type? String type. String is derived type of object or not?
Yes, sir. No issues, sir.
Okay, see now. Java C typecast demo. Okay, there is no issue at compile time. Now Java test. See, can you see output as a Santosh here? So now, how many objects are created, guys, for this one?
Only one object, sir.
Okay, so here always you have to remember only one object is created, guys. Okay, so now how? So here, first of all, what, guys? String S is equal to new string, right? Now reference variable S pointing to whom, guys? The string object. Fine. What is the content here? String. Santosh, right? So now, after that, what we are doing? We are typecasting this S2 object. Understand? Now, after that, after typecasting, we are getting some value, right? So the value we are trying to assign to whom? Object O. Understand? So here same object, we are assigning one more object reference. So now this time, what is the object reference now? O,
Wow.
right? So O also pointing to whom? The same object. Understand? Here we are not creating two objects, guys. We have having what? Only one object, but these two reference variable pointing to the same object. Through typecasting, we are not creating any new object, right? For the existing object only, we are providing another type of reference variable. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for typecasting, we are not creating any new object. For the existing object only, we are providing another type of reference variable. So people will ask you guys, this kind of questions also people may ask you. Okay. You should be in the position to tell the right answer. Okay. Let me write the point here. So here see, through typecasting, we are not creating any new object, guys. Any new object. Okay. For the existing object, what we are doing for the existing object only, we are providing another type of reference variable. Okay, through typecasting, we are not creating any new object. For the existing object only, we are providing what, guys? Another type of reference variable. Okay, so if you want to see that practically, let me show you guys. So here, so we have an example, right? This is the example, right? String s is equal to new string, object o is equal to, okay, converting to object. So now see here, system.out.println. Now let me write s double is equal to o. Double is equal to o. Understand? S double is equal to o. Hope you people understood what is double is equal to operator. So that time we have discussed, guys. Very, 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 very important.
Yes,
So
sir.
double is equal to operator. So double is equal to operator means what here? What it will
Reference
do?
type. Reference type. Reference
It will check
comparison.
the reference type comparison. Understand? So here what? It will check what? The reference type comparison. Okay. So for every object, what will happen if you create one object? For every object, we have what? One unique hash code, right? For every object, we have what, guys? One unique hash code. Come on,
Yes, sir.
right? For every
Yes.
object, we have what? One unique hash code. By using that unique hash code only, we can identify the objects, guys. Okay, that is called address of the object. Okay, at JV, I mean at heap size, at heap level, at heap memory level. So now here what we are trying to convert SW is equal to O. Okay, so we are trying to compare SW is equal to O. Okay, so what would be the output here then?
True, sir.
Here it
True.
should be true. Okay, why, guys? Here see already we have draw a diagram right here. See, Santosh. We created one object called Santosh. So once you create one object, this is string object, right? So once we created a string object, for every object there should be one unique hash code, right? Let's suppose the unique hash code is 1001. Okay. So now S also pointing to the same object and O also the pointing to the same object. So S object unique code also 10001. Even O reference variable unique code also 10001. So now if you compare S double is equal to O means what we will get? True. Understand? True means what, guys? These two reference variable pointing to the same object. Understand? These two reference variable pointing to the what? Same object, right? So now let me execute, guys, in front of you. Practically, let me show. Can you see the true here? Output? True means what, guys?
Yes, sir.
Both are
Both
having
are referring to
same.
the same object.
Same. Okay. So now if you want to see that hash code of these objects, let me print. Okay. Here system.out.println of system.out.println of how to
Yes.
get hash code of that object,
Yes,
guys?
that is hash code.
S dot hash code.
Hash code method we have, right? So where it is available, this method? O dot hash code. Here you're calling hash code method, right?
Yes.
You're calling hash code method. By using which object reference you are calling?
Yes.
Yes, sir. S means which type? String type.
String type.
So now in string class hash code method you are calling. Understand? In string class, there might be some hash code method. You are calling that hash code method. Clear? Hello. Come on, guys. Now here O dot hash code method. So here also O dot hash code method means which hash code method will call, guys? Polymorphism. Which class hash code method will call now? When you call O dot hash code. So now let me execute this one. So Java C typecast demo. So now Java test. See what is the hash code, guys? -76444752. Okay. See both reference variable pointing to what? Same hash code. Means what? Same reference variable pointing to the same object. Here, due to typecasting, we are not creating any new object. Okay. So we are pointing same object. Okay. So we are pointing two different type of variables are pointing what, guys? Same object. Okay. So here, when you called s.hash code method, which hash code method will call, guys, here? s.hash code. Which hash code method will call? String class
String
hash
type.
code method will call. Directly we are creating object of string class, and by using that object reference we are calling hash code method. Then which class hash code method will call? String class hash code method will call. Understand? Come on. So now here O dot hash code. Here O dot hash code method means which hash code method will call, guys? O means what? O means what? What is the reference type of O? Object. So now object class hash code method will call or string class hash code method will call? No, class object we have. This is what, guys? Class object. So here public int. Okay, there is a hash code method. There is a hash code method. Okay, just something, it returning something. There is a some logic, and finally it return something 1001. Let's assume. Okay, so now I closed the class object. Now I have taken what? Class string. Okay, so string extends what, guys? Object, right? Every Java class, what is the super class by default? Object class.
Object.
Object
Right?
class.
So in hash code, here also what we have? Hash code method. Here also we have what, guys? Hash code method, override method. Come on. Now here also I'm returning what? Something. Let's suppose 1002 I'm returning. Fine. Come on, guys. Clear now these
Yes, sir.
two? So now here what I'm
Yes,
doing? Here what I'm doing? I'm creating one more class test. Okay. So in the class test, we have what? Public static void main string args. Where are the method? String args. Fine. So here what I'm doing now? I'm creating fine. So now here what I'm doing? So now here I'm creating string s is equal to new string. Okay, I'm creating what, guys? Child class object. By using the child class object, I'm calling what? S dot hash code method.
Yes.
Okay, and finally object obj is equal to new object. I'm creating object plus object. Now, by using obj, I'm calling what, guys? Hash code method. Okay. So now, by using superclass reference variable, I can hold what? Child class. Okay. Now, I'm using this o dot. I'm calling what, guys? Hash code method. This is very, very, very important. Now tell me o dot hash code method. Okay. Here what? Let me do it. System dot out dot println of this one. S dot hash code. Here also system dot out dot println of hash code. Here also same. Tell me what is the output here.
First one is 1 triple
First
0
one is
2
what?
2.
See here 3 scenarios I have written. Right?
Yes.
First of all, I created child class object. By using child class reference variable, I am calling hash code method. Now which hash code method will execute? Vani?
String.
Sir, string one, sir.
So what is the output now? What is the output?
1001, 1002.
Yeah, 1002. In string class 2, right? 1002 is the output.
Yes, sir.
Okay, string class hash code method will execute. Now here see object obj is equal to new object, and I'm calling what? Obj dot hash code method. Now in this case, which hash code method will execute?
1001, sir.
Object class hash code method will execute. Now output will be 1001. Okay. Now in this case, you tell me object o new string. So can I hold child class object by using superclass reference variable or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
We can hold. Okay. So
Yes.
now I'm calling what? O dot hash code method. Now tell me which hash code will execute. Here what? This is what, guys? Overriding.
If you
Right? This is what method overriding. So in the method overriding, always the method resolution will taken care by whom?
JVM.
Taken care by whom?
JVM.
JVM based on runtime object. Understand? So if it is in a overloading, if it is in a overloading, always the method resolution will be taken care by whom? Compiler based on reference type. Okay. But at method overriding, always the method resolution will be taken care by JVM based on runtime object. It is very, 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 very important. Okay. So everywhere, if you write any kind of Java application, any kind of Java class, definitely you will use this scenario, guys. This is what, guys? Runtime polymorphism. Overriding is nothing but runtime polymorphism. Overloading is nothing but what? Compile time polymorphism. So now, that time we discussed, right? For every class, what we have, guys? Method table, right? For every class internally, we have what? Method table, right? So all the methods will be stored in where? Method table, guys. So now here, an object class in this example, in this example, I'm talking. So let's suppose this is what? Object class method table. Okay, object class method table. For this object class method table, what are the methods we have? Only one method. Let's assume hash code method we have. Right? So actually in object class, how many methods we have, guys? 11 methods we have. Okay. But in this example, I'm taking. Okay. So in this example, how many methods we have? Only hash code method, right? So that's what I have written hash code method. So let's assume we have what? Another class string. Right? For every class, we have what? Method table.
Yes.
Okay. For every class, internally we have what, guys? Method table. Okay. So all the methods which are there in that particular class will be stored in the where, guys? In the method table. Now tell me in the string class also we have what, guys? Hash code method. In this example, I'm talking. Right? So now hash code method we have. Fine. So now here see string s is equal to new string. Okay. So now string s is equal to new string system.out.println of s dot hash code. Okay. So now s is what type, guys? It will check. We are calling what hash code method on reference variable called s. So now it will check s is which type? Which type as string type?
String type.
Come on. So now for string type, do we have hash code method?
Yes.
Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
In
Yes,
string
we
type,
have.
do we have hash code method or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, we have hash code method. Now, this hash code method will not execute, okay, for the runtime polymorphism. Okay, yes, hash code method is available, but this hash code method will not execute. After that, what it will check? It will check the underlying object. Okay, so what is the object type here? What is the object now? New string. So here, what is the object type, guys? String. Understand? What is the object type?
New
String. Right. Now, in the object type, do we have any hash code method or not? Like that, it will check. So what is the object type here? String. Again, string. In string class, do we have hash code method? Yes,
Yes.
hash code method. So now the hash code method will execute here. Which hash code method? String class hash code method. Clear, everyone? Okay, I'm explaining one more time. Please remember. Okay. Clear the first scenario?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. So this is runtime polymorphism. I'm talking about runtime polymorphism. Means what method overriding. Now, see the second scenario, object obj new object. See here, obj dot hash code method. What is the reference variable here? Obj. So what is the reference variable type here? Object. Right?
Object.
So now in the object class, it will check. Do we have hash code method or not? Do we have hash
Yes.
code method?
Yes, we have.
Yes.
Yes, we have a hash code method. Right? So now this hash code method will not execute immediately because this is what runtime polymorphism, right?
Yes.
Okay. So in the runtime polymorphism, the method resolution will be taken care by whom? JVM.
JVM.
Okay.
Based
Based on
on-
runtime object, right? So now this object hash code method will not execute immediately. So now it will check what is the runtime object here. What is the runtime object here? Object only. So what is the type of this runtime object? Again, object only. So now in this object type, okay, in the object type here, what object, right? In the object class, it will go and verify. Do we have a hash code method? Yes, we have a hash code method. Now object class hash code method will execute here. Clear, everyone? So that's what we are getting, what 1001. Fine. Now coming to the third scenario here. Here we are calling what? O dot hash code method, right? So what is the reference variable type here? O object.
Object.
So now it will go and verify in the object class, do we have hash code or not? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, we have an hash code. Fine. We have an hash code. Now this hash code method will not execute immediately. So what it will verify? Runtime object. What is the runtime
Runtime.
object? What is the runtime object here?
String.
Tell
String.
me, what is the runtime object here? String. So
String.
what is the runtime object type here? String. Now, in the string class, it will go and verify, do we have hash code method or not? Yes,
Yes.
we have hash code method. Now, this hash code method will execute. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Which
Yes,
class
sir.
hash code
Yes,
method
sir.
will execute? String class hash code
String
method
class
will
hash
execute.
code method.
Okay, this is very, 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 very important, guys. Okay, so now let me write one more thing here. Okay, or else this is important, wise. So let me write directly in here only. Okay, let me write, guys. Here 3 scenarios we have. So let me write one more time. Very, very important. So that's why I want to repeat one more time. Okay, class institute we have. Okay, class institute we have, or else fine, or else college also we can take, right? College, institute also, and college also fine. So now we have class college, guys. Here what we have? So public void, okay, hash code method. Okay, so here also hash code method we have. Fine. So now here I'm returning what? Something 100 1 I'm returning. So here let me keep int. Okay, guys. Now, in the same way, I'm taking what class student extends what college. Okay. See, guys, different scenarios. I will explain you. Please watch carefully. Now, here what I'm taking the same. I'm overriding. Here what I'm doing. Please respond. I'm doing
Overriding.
what overriding, right? So here I'm throwing 1002. Okay, 1002. Okay. So now, fine. So now here I'm taking what, guys? Class test I'm taking, or class demo. Let me take class demo. Right. In the class demo, we have what, guys? Public static void main. Public static void main string args. String args we have, right? So here what I'm doing now? I'm doing college CLG is equal to new college. Okay. So after that, system.out.println, system.out.println. Okay. Println of what I'm doing, CLG dot hash code method. Okay. So in the same way, I'm creating what, guys, now? Student. Student std is equal to new student. New student. Now the same system. Okay. Now here what? std dot hash code method. Fine. So now I'm trying to write another scenario. College CL is equal to new student. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir, we can.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now system.out.println CL dot hash code method. Clear? Understand everyone? The class here. What I have written, the
Yes.
application, the program. Fine.
Yes,
So
sir.
now
Yes, sir.
let me save it. So now typecast, right? Here. What is the file name you want me to save?
Sir.
Hmm.
30th line lo CLG dot hash code. Okay, sir. Okay.
Fine. So now here file name overriding demo. Fine. Overriding demo is the file name. Okay. Now see here Java C overriding demo.java. What is the error? I think semicolon mistake. Where, guys? Where? Here. Compilation successfully. Now Java demo. What is the output now? 1001, 1002, 1002.
100.
Just now we discussed it, right? Now object and string in the same way. Fine. So now here see in college class I have what? I'm creating one more method, guys. Public void. Okay. Public void something, some method. So college means what, guys? Okay. New. Get faculty info. Something, guys, some method. Okay. At what level? At a college level. Okay. So now here system.out.println. System.out.println of. Okay. Faculty info. Okay. Faculty info. Something I'm printing. Fine. college faculty info. Let's suppose college faculty info. Okay. So here what is this is the method. Clear, everyone? Get faculty info.
Yes, sir.
Okay. No. See. Okay. So see, I did not override in student class. I did not override in student class, guys. So now here college CLG is equal to new college. Now here what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to print CLG dot, okay, get the faculty info
Faculty.
method I'm calling. Okay, now and the same way here std dot, okay, get faculty info also I'm calling. Okay, now std here what cl dot, okay, get faculty info I'm calling. Understand? So let me
With-
comment the previous
34
ones.
line in 34 line bracket are missing.
Hmm?
In 34 line, we are missing
Yeah,
that
fine.
open close brackets.
Fine. Okay. See, I'm commenting the previous ones, guys. See here, what I'm trying to do. I'm creating object of college, and after that I'm calling what get faculty info, and student object also I'm calling get faculty info, and here college CL is equal to new student, and after that CL dot get faculty info. Now tell me here what is the output, here what is the output, here what is the output. Tell me, guys. You guys should tell. Already I explained you. Tell me now. CLG dot get faculty info. So this is the application. Now CLG dot get faculty info. What is output?
College faculty info.
Okay, college faculty info here. College faculty info.
Faculty info.
Right? That is the output we will get, right? Any
Yes,
issue
sir.
here? Any doubt here? Come on, everyone.
No, sir.
No,
So here
sir.
college class object we are creating. After that, what by using object reference variable we are calling what get faculty info.
Get
Right?
faculty.
So in the college class, do we have get faculty info? Yes, we have. So that method will
Yes,
execute.
sir.
Fine. Now tell me this one. In this case, student std
College
is equal to new
faculty.
student. Std dot get faculty. Student std is equal to new student. Okay. So now I'm creating what, guys? Child class object. Right? I'm creating child class object of student. Am I right or wrong? So now when you create child class object means what? All the
All the
properties of the parent class by default inherited to whom? Student.
Child
Right?
class.
So now in the student class, what we have? How many methods we have?
Two methods.
Hash code method we have.
Get
That parent class hash code method also we have, right? And student class hash code method also we have. So how many hash code methods student class can contain now?
2.
Two. How
Three.
many hash code methods
Three,
student
sir.
class can contain? How many
You
hash
were
code
right,
methods?
sir. One
Hash
One
code
method
two.
only. Okay.
one method.
Right. Why
One.
two, Saiteja? Only one method. So that is overriding, right? What we are
Yes.
discussing
Yes,
at the time
sir.
of overriding.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right? So if the child class, okay, not satisfied with the implementation which provided by parent class. So that time what child class will do? Child class will override the same as code, same method in child class, and child class will provide their own implementation. So that is overriding, right?
Yes, sir.
Understand? If the child class is okay not satisfied with the implementation what parent class provided, so by that time what child class will do? Child class will override that method by providing okay their own implementation. That is hash code method. Okay, I explain you. I think I have taken one real world example also. What it is? I mean duster, right? Duster and something marker and
Sir.
duster or something. Okay, I
Those
have
are
taken one real
criteria.
world example also. Here what? For hash code method, how many methods we have? Only one hash code method we have. That is what? Child class hash code method, right? So now here get faculty info. So now student class, how many methods student class can have now?
Two methods.
Two methods. One is hash code method,
Hash code.
so which is implemented by student class.
Student
Another
class.
one is get
Get
faculty
faculty
info,
Faculty
which
info.
is inherited from parent class.
Parent class.
Right? So student class can contain what? two methods.
Two
One is hash code method, which is implemented by student class, and another method get faculty info, which is inherited by parent. Okay, which is inherited from parent class. Parent class means what here? College class. So now this get faculty info now student class also can contain. So now after that, what I'm doing now? I'm creating object of student class, and by using object reference, okay, I'm calling what? Get faculty info. Right? So now which faculty info will call now? Okay, student. Okay, so college class get faculty info method will call. Right? Come on, guys.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so now college faculty info is the output here. What is the output here? College faculty info is the output.
College faculty info.
Faculty info is the output. Fine. So now what is this class, guys? First class is what? College. Huh?
College.
College.
So for every class, they're maintaining what, guys? Method table. So how many methods we have? How many methods we
methods.
have?
Two methods.
Two methods.
One is hash code and
One is
second
hash
get
code
faculty.
method.
Get
Another one
faculty
is
info.
Get
get
faculty.
faculty info. Get faculty info. Right? So now come to another class. What is this class, guys?
Student.
Student. In student class also we have what, guys? Method table. Every student class, every Java class can contain what? One method table. Internally maintaining one method table.
Method
The
table.
method table contains what? All the methods which are available. Now tell me, here also we have what? Hash code method.
Hash code.
Guys, this is very, very important. Okay. So that's why I'm explaining you one more time. Hash code method. So here what? That's it. Right? We have hash code method. Come on. As of now. Okay.
Yes.
So now see here the second scenario. Where is the second scenario? Here, right? Now, student is equal to new student st.get faculty info. Okay. Now, so what is the reference variable here? Std. Right. So what is the reference variable type here? Student.
Student.
Right. Now, in student class, first it will go and verify, do we have any get faculty info method or not? So do we have get faculty info method in student class?
Yes,
No.
sir.
No.
No.
Okay, we don't have any get faculty info method in student class. Fine. So now after that, what it will go after that? Okay,
Yes.
so it will check with the runtime object. Understand? The runtime object, it will go and verify. In the runtime object, so do we have, what is the runtime object here? New student. Student type. In the student type, do we have any get faculty info method? No. Right?
No.
So that time, after that, what it will go and verify? So for the student class, do we have any parent or not? Like that, it will go and verify. Understand? So for student class, do we have any parent?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So what is the parent? College. Now,
College.
in the parent, do we have get faculty info or not? Like that, it will go and verify. Do we have get faculty info?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. So that method will execute. Understand? That
Yes.
method will get execute. Clear?
Yes,
Clear.
sir.
Like that, it will go
Yes,
and
sir.
verify, guys. So actually, when you use extends means automatically the get faculty info method is available in student class.
Student.
Okay.
Yes.
Directly it will available.
Yes.
Okay. So like that, it will go and verify actually programmatically. But in student class also can have what? Get faculty info automatically available in student class. So, but programmatically, how the steps will flow means the just now I explained, right? So in that way it will flow. Because here
Yes.
we have extends keyword, right? There is a relation, student and college. If no method is available in child class, okay, then it will go and verify super class. In the super class, if you have such method, then that method will get executed. Clear, guys, everyone? Any question here?
No, sir.
No. Now we'll see the third scenario here. See, now tell me third scenario, what is the output now?
College faculty info.
College faculty info.
Okay, so now here college faculty info. Okay, so now see here college CL is equal to new student. Fine. So now here CL dot get faculty info. CL. What is the reference variable here? CL, right? So CL, what is the reference variable type here? College.
College.
Right. So now in the college, do we have any get faculty info method or not? Like that, it will search, guys. Right? So in the college, do we have get faculty info method?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we have. But this method will not execute immediately. Right? So what it will do now? It will check with
It's
what
the
is the
runtime
runtime object.
object.
So what is the runtime object type here? Student.
Student.
So now it will go and verify in student class, do we have any get faculty info or not? Right? Now coming to student class, do we have any get faculty info method here?
No.
No. So that time what will happen, right? The parent class get faculty info
Parent
method
plus
will
of the
execute.
student.
Understand? The parent
Yes.
class get faculty info method will execute. So here what is the output now? College get faculty info. Faculty info, right? Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
This scenario also?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
So now I will give you one more scenario. This is very, very important. Okay. You please tell me. So now here I am writing public void okay, get student marks. Get student marks. Okay. So now system.out.println, let me copy this. System.out.println of okay, student marks. Okay, or else student class method. Fine. Come on, guys. Or else student marks, something. Okay, something, guys. Okay, let me write student marks. Fine. So now this is the method where it is available student class. Fine. Okay. So now here what I'm doing, you know, I'm commenting these one, guys. I'm commenting these ones. I'm commenting all these things. Okay. So now please listen carefully. So here what I'm doing, clg dot get student marks. Right. So here I'm calling std dot get student marks. Okay. No. Here I'm doing what? cl dot get student marks. Okay. Now tell me, what is the output here? See, guys. Okay. So this is college. In the college, okay, we don't have what? Get student marks. In the student class, we have get student marks method. Okay, fine. So now tell me in the first scenario.
Compile time errors.
College dot get student marks. Here.
Error, sir.
Error. Okay. So here what? Why error? You have to tell CLG. We are calling what? CLG, right? So now, what is the CLG type here? College.
College.
Go and verify in the college. Do we have get student marks method or
No,
not?
not there.
Okay, in college class, we don't have such method. Fine. So it won't throw immediately any error, guys. So after that, what it will go and verify? It will go and verify the runtime object.
Runtime
What is
object.
the runtime object here? New college.
College.
Okay. So again, college type. The college type, anyway, we don't have get student marks. So that time we will get what, guys? Combine time error. Okay. So we will get what, guys? Some error. Okay. So no such method error. Okay. I think runtime only. We'll see. So no such method error like that. We will get some error. Clear, everyone? In this scenario?
Yeah, clear.
Yes, sir.
Coming to this one. You tell me what is the output here?
Student marks.
Student marks.
Student marks.
Okay. Yes, student marks. Here, student marks will be the output. Fine. So now tell me in this case, college CL is equal to new student. Now tell
Student
me in
marks.
this case.
Student marks.
Student marks.
Student marks.
Student marks.
Marks.
So everyone is saying student marks. But here we will get what, guys? Okay, we will get here error. Okay, this is very, 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 very important. Understand? Okay, here we will get error. So everyone is saying student marks. But this is, we are getting what error, guys? Okay, if you go for any interview, definitely this question will be there, guys. Okay, definitely you will get this question. Okay, let me explain you. So I don't need to explain this one, right? This is straightforward, right?
No, sir.
No.
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So now let me explain this one. Now let me go with the third one. See here. Fine. So now CL dot get student marks, right? So what is the reference variable here? CL. Now what is the reference type here? College.
College.
So in the college, first of all, it will go and verify get student marks method is available or not in college. Do we have?
No.
No, right?
No,
we
we
don't have. Okay, we don't have. Fine. So now we don't have. Okay. So now it will go and verify the runtime object new student. Okay. So now in the new student, do we have get student marks?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, we have. But here see college CL is equal to new student. By using superclass reference variable, we are holding what? Child class object. So by this time, what will happen, you know? That CL, see, it is what, guys? Overriding. By using superclass reference variable, we are holding what, guys? Child class object. Understand? So
Yes.
definitely here what in student class we have get what it is, get student marks, right? The same method it is expecting where? In college. Understand? In college also, it should have get student marks. Because here what? See, by seeing this one, polymorphism, runtime polymorphism. This is what, guys? Runtime polymorphism or not?
Yes, sir. Runtime.
Yes, sir.
This is runtime polymorphism, right? So what is runtime polymorphism? Method overriding is the runtime polymorphism, right?
Yes, sir.
Come on, guys. Here method
Yes, sir.
overloading is compile time polymorphism. Method
Yes, sir.
overriding is runtime polymorphism.
Runtime
Polymorphism.
So here what? It should have what? Overriding. But do we have overriding? In college class, do we have get student marks method?
No, we
No.
don't have.
No. Then it is not a polymorphism, right? It is not a runtime polymorphism, right? Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's why here we will get what, guys? Error.
Compile time.
Understand? So in this case, how it will verify, you know? First of all, CL dot get student marks. So now CL. Okay. So what is the CL type here? College. So now
College.
it will go and verify in college. So do we have any method called get student marks? We don't have any method get student marks. Fine. Okay. Now runtime object, it will go and verify student. So do we have get student marks method? Yes, we have. Okay. So that time it will go and verify in college class. We don't have get student marks method, but in child class we have get student marks method. Okay. So now it will throw what, guys? Compile time error. So before executing student marks method in student class get student marks method, okay, the compiler go and verify in the college class. Do we have get student marks or not? Okay. So parent class get student marks method will not execute, guys. Understand? Come on. See in this hash code method. See in this first one. I commented this hash code method. See in this here in the hash code method, see C1 dot hash code method we are calling. Right? So now C1 means which type here? College.
College.
Right? In the college type, first of all, it will go and verify, do we have hash code method
Hash
or
code
not?
method or not.
Do we have hash code method in college class? Yes, we
Yes.
have.
Yes.
But this hash code method will not execute. Understand? Yes, we have, but this hash code method will not execute. So after that, what it will go and verify? Runtime object it will go and verify. So in the runtime object type, what is the runtime object type here? Student.
Student type.
Now in the student class, do we have as code method or not? Like that, it will go and verify. Do we have as code method? Yes, we
Yes.
have as code method. That as code method will execute. Understand? That hash code method will execute. So before executing this hash code method, compulsory this hash code method should be there in where? In parent class.
Even parent class.
Understand? But the parent class hash code method will not execute. Always based on runtime object only, right? The runtime polymorphism will be taken care. So runtime object related hash code method only will be executed finally. But same method it has to be there in what? Parent class. Because this is what, guys? Runtime polymorphism. See, this statement itself, it is saying what? Runtime polymorphism. Right? By using
Yes,
superclass
sir.
reference variable, we can hold child class object. That is what? Runtime polymorphism. So runtime polymorphism means what? Method overriding.
Method
So
overriding.
always in superclass also should be there the same method. In child class also should be there the same method. But anyway, child class method only will execute. But the same method should be there in where? In parent class also. Then only child class method will get executed. Otherwise, we will get what? Error. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Everyone clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Let me execute. So practically, I will show you guys. So this is very, very important, guys. Okay? Very, very important. See, compilation successfully. Okay, compilation successfully. Java, see. Can you see 2 errors? Okay. So what is the first error? What is the first error?
Cannot
Can't
find
find symbol.
get
Discuss
student.
right? First scenario. First scenario.
Yes, sir.
Right? College dot get student marks. Cannot find symbol. Right? Cannot find symbol.
Yes, sir.
College dot get student info. Okay. So here method get student marks location variable college of type college. Here guys, in this first scenario, we are calling what? Get student marks, right? But get student marks is not available in college class, right? So that's what we are getting what? This error, first error. Okay? Clear? Now, let me comment
Yes,
this one.
sir.
I'm commenting the first one, guys. Now see, you will get only one error. What is the error? Okay, cannot find symbol cl dot get student marks. Okay, symbol method get student marks location variable cl of type college. See what it is saying in college type. So there is no method called get student
Get
marks.
student.
Okay, here guys, in this scenario, I just told you, right? Here we will get error means
Yes, sir.
even see if I add the blank method also, let me add public void get student marks, right? Where I'm adding now in the parent class. So just I'm adding this blank, guys. Okay, I'm not adding anything. The method body is empty here. Okay, so now I'm saving. So if I execute, now see there is no compile time error. Understand? There is no compile time error. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
in the so compiler will verify. Okay, compiler will verify in the super class. Okay, so do we have that method or not? That super class method will not execute. Child class method only will execute. But before executing that, at compile time level, it will verify, guys. Okay, in the parent class, do we have that method or not? Because this is what? Polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism means what? Method overriding. Method overriding means what? Definitely in parent class also we have the method. In child class also we have the method. Right? Hope you people understood, guys. This is very, 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 very important. Now, here we discussed about polymorphism again. Why you guys are not responding? So that's right. Okay, guys. So where are we now? Coming to that topic, guys. Where are we? The first case. So the first case, CRC. Through typecasting, we are not creating any object for the existing object. No, what is the first case, guys? Yeah. The underlying object of D must be either same type of C or its derived type of C. Otherwise, we will get runtime exception called class cast exception. Okay. Hope you people clear on this. Right, guys?
Yes,
First-
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Fine. So now
Yes.